Meaning of deadbeat dad.
Deadbeat dad.
Deadbeat dad.
Deadbeat dad.
Deadbeat dad. The term deadbeat dad refers to a father who fails to fulfill his financial and/or emotional obligations towards his children. This includes failing to pay child support, neglecting to spend time with them, and not contributing to their well-being in any significant way. Deadbeat dads can have a serious impact on the lives of their children, often leaving them with fewer resources and less emotional support. Additionally, it can cause significant stress for the custodial parent who may struggle to provide for their children without the necessary financial assistance.